All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I want to go ahead and give you an update on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, the screen protector. Now I removed my screen protector and put on a matte screen protector probably, it's been at least a month now or more. This is my second time doing this. And this time, as you can see, this screen protector is holding up fantastic. Now it looks a little oily or whatever, but this one is holding up. Now this is the cheaper one that I got on eBay for $3. Now one thing I learned about all the screen protectors that I've tried is that they all kind of crease in the center depending on, how you're using your phone. Like if you open it a whole bunch, if you open and close it a lot, you're gonna get that crease down the center no matter what. But it's a lot less on this one, believe it or not. And I'm tripping on this because it's only cost me $3. For the front, the back, the full cover, it cost $3. The front is holding up good, obviously. Nothing wrong with that. The front is perfectly fine. It's good. I recently changed out my back skin. I just got bored with the black. Pop a little bit, put something different on there. But the screen protector itself is holding up fantastic. This is an investment. Not an investment. This is an upgrade, I guess I'll say. If you're tired of the greasiness, the serious greasiness that comes from the clear ones, or you just don't like clear screen protectors, and you don't like that glare, matte screen protectors are the way to go. I totally recommend this, man. Now I don't know how much the price is on it right now. I'll try to remember to leave a link down below so you can check it out and see. It shouldn't be no more than $5. In any event, you shouldn't get on Amazon and pay $15, $20 for one of these. I just decided to jump on I bought 3 or 4 of them just in case I had issues when they were $3 each from that seller on eBay. It did take about a month to get to me, so have some patience and leave on whatever you have on there currently until this comes in if you decide to purchase it. I don't know the seller. It's somebody in Hong Kong or something like that. But the fact is, this screen protector has been holding up well. It hasn't chipped or hasn't done anything. It's just got that same little etchings, little creasing down the center, but you can barely notice it probably. On the other one, it was very relevant. You could see it no matter what you do. So on this one, I want to give you a quick update, short and to the point. The screen protector works good. Some people worry about it dumbing down the screen. I found that this particular screen protector doesn't really dumb it down that much to me at all. I think it looks pretty good, man. So let me crank up the brightness here. I think it looks fire. I think it looks good. I don't think there's anything wrong with this screen protector. Matte screen protectors, sometimes matte screen protectors, they do mess up the phone, because I had put one. I normally keep a matte screen protector on my iPhone or just all devices, and I took it off of this one and went back to a regular HD glass screen protector on that one. But hopefully in the future, Samsung will start incorporating matte as an option. That way you can get it directly from the factory. Don't clown on that. I think they will sell a lot. I mean, computer monitors, my computer monitor, my 34-inch widescreen and my curved 144 hertz monitor both have matte screen protectors. So why can't cell phones do it? Get yourself a matte screen protector try it out. You know what I'm saying? Just try it out. Because the Z Fold 2 is not new anymore, if you will. The new one's coming out, the Z Fold 3, if in fact there is going to be a Z Fold 3. The next folding device is coming this year. We're in 2021. And it's coming, and I think it would be actually pretty nice if they offered a matte version for the screen. That's just me. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.